If you're looking for a way to generate industry-specific copy in seconds, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to do just that, using a powerful tool that'll save you hours of time while delivering targeted, effective content. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to share how you can get an exclusive free trial to try the software I'm using. You might be struggling to create content that speaks to your specific industry, right? Writing copy that truly resonates with your audience can take a lot of time, especially when you're switching between different writing styles and tones for various industries. But imagine if you could generate this copy instantly, just by using a smart tool designed for it. That's what we're going to do today. First, you need to know that the key to generating industry-specific copy in seconds is using the right software. After trying multiple popular options, I've narrowed it down to one that stands out. Our software takes the heavy lifting out of writing. Whether you're drafting a marketing email for a tech startup, a product description for e-commerce, or a social media post for a healthcare brand. Let me walk you through how to get started. Open the software, and you'll see a simple interface. All you need to do is enter a few keywords relevant to your industry, say sustainable fashion or cloud computing, and the software will generate multiple copy options in seconds. But it doesn't stop there. The tool also lets you tweak the tone, style, and length to suit exactly what you need. One of the coolest features is the industry-specific templates. If you're writing for finance, healthcare, or education, you can select templates designed to capture the language and tone most effective in those fields. It makes it super easy to tailor your copy instantly. For example, let's say you're in real estate. Instead of manually drafting a listing description, you simply enter the property's features, and in a few clicks, the software gives you a polished, compelling description that speaks directly to potential buyers. And the best part? You can optimize your copy for SEO as well. Just input a few keywords, and the software will suggest ways to improve your copy's performance. This is especially helpful if you're generating blog posts or landing pages and want to make sure they rank higher in search engines. If you want to follow along with me and see exactly how it works, check out the description below. I've partnered with the software provider to give you an exclusive free trial available only to viewers of this channel. It's a great way to see how it can help you generate industry-specific copy in seconds without any upfront commitment. Now, let's quickly review the key points. First, generating industry-specific copy in seconds is possible when you use the right tool. The software we use today allows you to input industry keywords and get high-quality copy instantly. It also gives you flexibility with templates, tone, style, and SEO optimization. The key takeaway here is time is money, and with the right software, you can write industry-specific copy faster and more effectively than ever before. Before I close, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial from the link in the description. Trust me, it's going to be a game changer for your content creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.